Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give a tutorial on need staking for the Litentry project as a parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. I will cover the following 5 different parts. Need staking, how to unlock vested need, check collator on Web3.go, stake need on JS, delegate more need on Web3.go. So now let's start. The first one, recently they released the staking part. So there will be 2 different ways. The first one is a Web3GO. The second would be JS. However, I cannot directly stake on Web3GO. I can only stake more. So I'm going to show you the second part first. Polkadot JS. How to stake it on there. So how to stake? First of all, you need to unlock some vested need. If you have the unvested need, you can go to your JS wallet. And on your JS wallet, you can see the vested need token here. Go to developer. And then you can select vesting, vest, submit transaction. This is going to unlock the vested. So now you can see that the vested has been unlocked. You have more transferable need token. After this step, now we can talk about the next step. Now we have enough need token. We need to check collator on Web3.go. Web3.go, they have the need staking. They need several collators. And you can first connect your wallet. Select the wallet to connect. Now you will see the stake simulation. They already ranked that by the APY, and the first one is Web3GO. I would recommend the second one. As the second one, they have the website. They have a high APY, and also the second one, the collator, is in my Discord. So if you have any questions, you can ask him directly. So I'm going to demo on the second collator. This is the second one. When you click that, you will see all the delegators and also the address. Copy that because we need that later on. Now I'm going to show you how to stake need on JS. So still go to the developer and you need to add the candidate whitelist. So here I'm going to copy paste the address from that collator and submit the transaction. So this step is going to add the candidate. After this one is done, now I will still do the parachain staking, but I'm going to choose another option. So the other option I'm going to choose this time is delegate. Now you can see the collator has been showing up directly. So because we already added. Now I will stake 100 need. So 100 need, you need to put 100 and 12 zeros after 100. This is going to be 100 need token I will delegate to this candidate, to this collator. Now go to your account, you can see that you have 100 need reserved because those are all delegated to the collator. Now I'm going to go to the Web3GO and I will check my stake. So here you can see the stake. I have staked 100 need. For this one now on Web3GO, you can delegate more need if you want. Unfortunately, I cannot stake directly here. You have to first stake on JS and then delegate more here. So you can put whatever amount of need you want to have. So I will just put 110 and confirm. Alright, that's all for the need staking, and also I show you how to stake more need on Web3GO. Of course, you can also do that on the JS wallet. It's just a little bit more convenient on Web3GO. I hope in the future they can do the need staking directly on Web3GO. For the on staking, you have to do that on JS right now, and I'm going to post all the tutorial, everything below the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy the staking. The APY is quite good. Bye.